How to add gift box in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the gift box offer into your Shopify store. So the option is very simple and very easy. So you need only to head over your admin dashboard of your Shopify store. You can go ahead and create the manual discount right there and click on create or add discount and put here, for example, here buy X get Y or buy product and get another option. But you cannot promote it enough, so we are going to head over an app or a certain app. So we are going to make it a little bit visible with a widget. So we are going to head over the search bar and then we are going to type in free gift box plus buy one get one. So we are going to search for it on the Shopify store, so you can go ahead and ignore that and see only the free gift box. Then you're going to search for it on the App Store. Basically, we are going to head over this app, which is going to be here. I'm going to click on it. It will show up right there. So as you can see from the illustration, we are going to set up a gift box, as you can see, and get some free gifts. I'm going to click on it. It has a free trial availability, and also it is going to be a free app to install. So I'm going basically here to install it real quick. Click on install. Then we are going to enable the widget that is going to promote the box. But first we need to approve the, as you can see here, the trial version. So we are going to create our plan. So choose your free gift campaign. Spend X, get a free gift. Buy product X, get a free gift, and etc. So we are going to set up here, spend, for example, this one. This is the most common one, free gift offer. So we're going to choose the icon. You can go ahead and choose an icon for it. Since it is going to be the box, we are going to click on here. Product you want to promote as gifts. So not selected, select all, for example. Select all, and I don't know here, these, that, and that. Continue with the selected products. Click on next. Now the minimum value is going to be $10. For example, here I'm going to enable that. Then you can add some additional rule if you want. I'm going to click on next. Here you are going to see the, as you can see, the free gift campaign. You can go ahead and add, for example, whatever you want. I'm going to click on save here. Now I want to preview it. So we are going to see here the, as you can see, let's say the thing. So I'm assistant GA. So this is the free gifts. As you can see, we are going to see here the gift box added in here. This is the gift box. So you can go ahead and add whatever you want and add the thing from here. Click on checkout and it is going to head over your checkout right there. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.